So this is going to be a quick video comparing the sound qualities of two different Dyson cordless vacuums. First off, we have this newish and very popular V7 Motorhead. And here we have an older Motorhead. This is the DC59, but it's very similar to the V6, which is in turn fairly similar to the V7. But at this point, the V7 is a lot newer and has some significant improvements over the older models. So we'll run through it, and I'm gonna be aiming the vacuum away from you, which is how the user would use it. Also, the exhaust is on the side, so I don't want any air to shoot at the microphone. So here goes, the V7 normal mode. Older model, normal mode. Okay, V7 Turbo. This is flipping the switch, or AKA max mode. Older model, max mode. Now with the standard attachment head, this is a little difficult to do, but give it a shot. And now moving. Okay, now we're moving over to the older model. Head attached. And moving. So as you can tell, the V7 is quieter, but also has a more of a pleasant tone to it. Just listen now. It doesn't have that harsh, scrapey tone. It's lower pitched, and it's just like not as grating as the older models. So just quick point of reference if you are considering a newer Dyson vacuum. Thanks for watching.